In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review third-party access in Yahoo Mail. Keeping track of which apps and services can reach your Yahoo account is a simple habit that protects your privacy and keeps your inbox secure. I'll guide you through the exact path inside Yahoo so you can quickly see what's connected and make informed decisions. Start by opening your browser and going to yahoo.com. If you're not already signed in, look to the top right and select Sign In. Enter your account details and complete any verification prompts you've set up. If you're already signed in, you'll see your profile picture or an initial in that same top right spot. Once you're on Yahoo's homepage and signed in, click your profile icon at the top right. A small menu will appear. Choose Manage Your Account to open your account dashboard in a new page. This is the central place where you can review personal info, security options, and connected apps. Inside your account dashboard, find and select the security section. Depending on your device, it may appear as a tab across the top or as an option in a side menu. Give the page a moment to load. Yahoo sometimes prompts you to re-enter your password here for your protection. On the security page, look for external connections and click it. This is the area dedicated to third-party access. Here, Yahoo lists apps, websites, and services that you've allowed to connect to your account over time. You'll typically see the name of each service and, in many cases, when it was granted access and what type of permissions it has. Take a moment to scan the list carefully. Look for services you recognize and still use, like mobile mail apps, trusted productivity tools, or services you explicitly connected in the past. Anything unfamiliar, unused, or that you no longer need is worth a closer look. If a name doesn't ring a bell, think about when you last installed a related app or signed in with your Yahoo account on a device. It's normal to see items you set up months or even years ago. This page is where you manage access going forward, so revisit it periodically. As a best practice, keep only what you actively use, and remember that limiting unnecessary connections reduces risk. While you're here, it's also a good time to consider broader security habits like keeping your recovery options up to date and using multi-factor verification. That's all there is to finding and reviewing third-party access in Yahoo Mail. With these steps, you can confidently see what's connected and maintain control over your account.